What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And today only, we're here at Ohio Power Tool in... Yo, where's Ohio Power Tool located again?
Columbus, Ohio.
Columbus, Ohio. We're here with my friends at this point. You might have seen him in a video or two before. Will from Southwire. We have a special guest on the channel today. We got the Durbin Compound.
Hey, what's up, everyone?
What's up, brother? Yo.
Welcome to the Durbin Compound.
Welcome to, yeah. Listen, if you show up at the events, you might end up in the videos. Will, what do we got here, Will?
This here's my SIMpull flange. Allows me to lift a 2,000-pound reel and move it around the job site free.
This is the thing, like, I assume, like, you have something like this arrive, an apprentice or somebody to work, and they have to unload a truck or have to move this thing around. Don't they look and go, oh man, how am I gonna move this thing?
Well, try turning it. It's almost impossible, right?
Unbelievable.
Yeah. So the way that this system works, I've got an elevation control here. On the back side, you'll see my arbor hole. This tool works with any 3-inch arbor hole. Luckily enough, all Southwire reels happen to have a 3-inch arbor hole. So, I'm simply gonna slide this right on over and put that right into my reel. When I'm done, let's take my hand crank here, expand that arbor hole inside my reel. We want to use the hand crank on this so we can make sure that we get it real tight rather than my drill that'll chuck up. All right, we get that tight. Now, I've got my drill with a 3/4 inch socket. Right on over here, I've got my elevation control.
Hey, Will, I hate to interrupt you for a second. Any reason why we're using Milwaukee?
No reason.
All right, just checking.
Milwaukee's the best, I mean, let's be honest.
So now, I'm just gonna adjust my elevation. When we get to the top,
So it's literally lifting the reel off the ground. Wow.
now we're chucked up. So now, I've found my center. So now I can move this around freely. And let's take these chalks off. You'll see you got a magnet right there on the bottom. You can store that.
Yo, so it literally has, you seen this over here? Look at this.
Whoa.
And these are literally held on with magnets. You see that? Whoa. That thing's amazing.
Yeah. Now that 2,000-pound reel that was real tough to turn and move around the job site,
Yeah.
it's a lot easier now.
You ain't kidding.
So, like, and I was saying before to Will, is if we were to have this on a job site, we got to pick it up with the mule, or, you know, you got to go get the forklift, you got to manhandle this thing.
Right.
And this is a game changer.
I would
I can't
agree.
believe I've never seen one.
So now we got to pull wire, let's say, right?
Right.
As you can see, my outside wheels are not moving, but my inside, if you could push, you know, now we're moving. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring this as close as possible as I can to that conduit, chalk up, and then let's pay off. We're pulling wire.
Right.
It's pretty awesome.
No jack stands are needed. These are my jack stands.
It's great.
This here's my brand new tool. It's the Southwire Maxis XD1 cable puller, a 1,000-pound cordless drill operated tugger. Simply just chuck up any standard 18 to 20 bolt drill, strap up to my drill handle like so. My gearbox has a 3-to-1 reduction. I'm pulling at 105 feet per minute with my drill on high and no load. Your guy feeding's gonna be pretty irritated at you if you try pulling at that speed. So we can drop our drill into low, pull at a much more comfortable pace, right? On the bottom here, I have a place where I can thread in a piece of 3/4 inch rigid to give myself a handle or even a kickstand. My gearbox, I'm pulling at 600 pounds continuously, peaking at 1,000. My capstan has this little hook. I can pull with polyline, mule tape, 1/4 inch rope, or 1/8 inch rope. If I can get a loop around there, then I don't have to keep tension on my rope. I just put up to my conduit like so, and as I make my pull, my rope will wrap itself right around my capstan. When I'm done, let's pop that capstan off, shed my rope.
That's pretty awesome.
Another great feature about this, let's pop this off, slide a piece of 1 inch over the top here, extended 10 feet up into the air, taking the guy off the ladder
Okay.
with his linesman and a steel fish tape, and I was just on the ground holding the trigger.
That's awesome.
How about that?
How about that?
Last thing I want to cover here, this comes with 3 different conduit adapters, and it comes in a padded toolbox like the one I got back there. This conduit adapter here is going to allow me to brace up to anything under 1.5 inches. If I want to do an overhead pull, I'm just going to flip that around, put my pin back in, and we're ready to go.
Wow.
Now, this conduit adapter, it's the same exact concept, that's up to 3 inch. But now, what happens if you can't get around the conduit, right?
Okay.
That's why we have this universal adapter. This adapter here, let's say hypothetically we're trying to pull through a J-box or pull out of a manhole. I can just grab the edge of that manhole like so, giving me the bracing point that I need.
Gotcha.
To now make that pull. Awesome tool if I'm doing parking lot lighting. And yeah, made in America.
That's awesome. It seems like it would make, I'm gonna tell you, not too bad in the weight.
Hey Vince, I got a point to make.
Yes.
What about the young guys that need to earn their keep?
Well, I think that anybody that's been around and suffered from debilitating illnesses, okay, would know that using tools like this make you more efficient, make the company more money, okay, and save the young guys, okay, from those debilitating illnesses. They'll earn their keep over time by making everyone more productive. And if you like having job sites that are productive and new young faces coming into the trades, then smash the like button. Also, if this is your first time here, you're not already, make sure you're getting subscribed and tapping the bell. Why do you want to tap the bell? Because if you don't tap the bell, you might miss out when we meet up with Will and the Durbin compound at Ohio Power Tool in the future. Go check them out. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. Thank you, Will.
Thank you.
Yo, the Durbin compound's here.
Appreciate you, Vince.
We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.